from Harimaya International School, Lakhimpur, Loku Shukla, Commerce Lecturer, Accountancy, Class 12th Commerce. Today I will teach you some important directions about to conversion of receipts and payment account into income and expenditure accounts. First of all, no record of opening and closing balance of receipt and payment account is made in income and expenditure account. Second, out of all incomes which appeared in the debit side of receipt and payment account, such incomes are recorded in the income side of income and expenditure account, which are of revenue nature and belong to current year. Out of all expenditures which are recorded in the payment side of receipt and payment account, such expenditure are taken to the receipt and payment account. Such expenditure are taken to the expenditure side of income and expenditure account, which are of revenue nature and belong to current year. Fourth, such incomes are not recorded in receipts and payment account, which are earned but not received. These incomes are recorded in the credit side of income and expenditure account if they relate to current year. Fifth, current year's outstanding expenses are not recorded in receipt and payment account. Their account can be found out from other registers and inquiries. These are recorded in the debit side of income and expenditure account. 6. If some unearned income is appearing in the debit side of receipt and payment account, then it should not be recorded in income and expenditure account. If some prepaid expenses have been recorded in receipt and payment account, then they should not be recorded in income and expenditure account. 8. Items of capital nature appearing in receipt and payment account are not recorded in income and expenditure account, but they are taken to balance sheet, which is prepared after this account. 9. If expenditure or income belonging to previous year has been recorded in receipt and payment account, then it should not be recorded in income and expenditure account. 10. If some other adjustments are traced out which belong to the concerned period, then they should be recorded in income and expenditure account. 11. Balance sheet is prepared after income and expenditure account unless contrary information is given. My dear students, These are some important rules to conversion of receipt and payment account into income and expenditure account. Please learn carefully these points. Thank you.